In the year 2023, a brilliant scientist named Dr. Amelia Carson discovered a mysterious artifact buried deep within the Earth. Little did she know that this discovery would catapult humanity a century into the future. The artifact, an otherworldly device, emitted a pulsating energy that seemed to warp time and space. As Dr. Carson studied the device, she inadvertently triggered its power. And in a flash, she found herself standing in a futuristic world. The once familiar landscape had transformed into a metropolis of gleaming skyscrapers that seemed to touch the clouds. Hovering vehicles zipped through the air, and advanced holographic displays adorned every corner. Amelia quickly realized that she had been transported 100 years into the future. Eager to understand this new world, she explored the bustling city. Everywhere she turned, she encountered marvels of technology beyond her wildest imagination. The streets were filled with people wearing sleek, form-fitting suits that seamlessly integrated with augmented reality interfaces. Curious about military advancements, Dr. Carson learned that the future held astonishing developments in warfare. Fighter jets were now agile spacecraft capable of maneuvers previously deemed impossible. She witnessed a demonstration of a cutting-edge fighter jet, sleek and aerodynamic, with the ability to traverse the atmosphere and outer space seamlessly. The pilot controlled the craft using neural interfaces, merging human intuition with machine precision. Intrigued by the advancements in communication, Dr. Carson delved into the future of the Internet. Gone were the days of physical devices. Instead, people accessed the digital realm through neural implants. The Internet was a vast neural network where information flowed effortlessly between minds. Virtual reality was indistinguishable from reality itself, and individuals could connect on a level beyond the constraints of physicality. Embracing her role as an accidental time traveler, Dr. Carson collaborated with the scientists of the future to share knowledge and bridge the gap between eras. Together, they harnessed the power of the mysterious artifact to further propel humanity into a new era of enlightenment. However, not everyone embraced the sudden influx of knowledge and technology. Some feared the disruptions it could bring to their established way of life. A faction known as the temporal purists emerged, advocating for a return to the simplicity of the past. Tensions rose as debates over the ethical use of advanced technology ignited conflicts across the globe. In the midst of this societal upheaval, Dr. Carson and her futuristic colleagues worked tirelessly to find a way to stabilize the temporal fluctuations caused by the artifact. They discovered that the key to maintaining balance lay in understanding the interconnectedness of past, present, and future.